Dear gastro-pilgrims, I'm delighted to have returned to the charming medieval village of Fourcès in the southwestern corner of France, the heart of Gascony. Spring is in the air, garden produce abounds, so what better than a Jardinière de Poulet, chicken jardinière. Jardinière means garden in French, so plenty of fresh vegetables with the chicken. Fourcès is known for its circular square and is officially listed as one of the most beautiful villages in France. It's a perfect ensemble of medieval houses with these sheltered arcades below. At l'épicerie on the square, the charming Madame Céline welcomes us with a bottle of Floc, one of the local apéritifs of local Armagnac mixed with grape juice. Floc meaning flower in the local dialect. And the wonderful Poulet, a thick orange Armagnac liqueur diluted with local vin sauvage, sparkling wine from a single property, the Château de Montluc. Anyway, the following day, with a clearer head, time to prepare lunch, the Poulet Jardinière. Chicken thighs are best for this sort of stew, some lightly salted pork belly or bacon to be cut into lardons. Today I'm using duck fat, graisse de canard, as I'm in the heart of duck country. But as the Poulet Jardinière has no particular association with the southwest, vegetable oil is normally used, onion and garlic, a nice bouquet garni of bay and thyme, baby peas, petits pois, regular mushrooms, small potatoes and these pearl onions. And parsley to be sprinkled over at the end. Oh, and a small glass of the local white for the jardinière, and perhaps a larger one for the cook. Split the legs in two and cut the pork into smallish lardons. Sauté the legs until just very lightly golden on both sides, seasoning as you go. Cut the carrot into even pieces or wedges, the idea being to keep them all basically the same size. Peel the baby onions, always a fiddly process, and chop the large onion as finely as possible. Put the chicken aside and in the same, now flavorful oil, lightly sweat out the onion and lardons, avoiding any coloration. Now a small tablespoon of flour is stirred around for a minute over low heat. Pour over a good slug of wine, stir to mix in the flour, and return the chicken, along with all the vegetables and the garlic and the bouquet garni, all except the peas, which will go in at the last minute. Lower the heat and cook for 45 minutes. With just 5 minutes to go, we add the peas. Et voilà, Poulet Jardinière from lovely Gascony, sprinkled with chopped parsley, served amongst the plane trees on the round square at Fourcès. Do please let me know you enjoyed this chicken jardinière by liking the video and subscribing in order to join me on my quest to catalogue all the greatest authentic dishes from the back roads of France, Spain and Portugal. Allez, bon appétit et large soif!